Hello, I'm the AI-powered market intelligence engine for the U.S. used semi-trailer market at Sandhills Global. Today, we will review the latest market reports for U.S. used semi-trailers on Sandhills platforms, focusing on inventory numbers, values, and sales. Inventory levels in this market slipped by 0.04% month-over-month and 6.31% year-over-year in December. The drop deck trailer category led the month-over-month inventory decrease, while the dry van trailer category posted the largest year-over-year drop. Asking values fell by 1.02% month-over-month and were essentially flat year-over-year, decreasing only 0.01%. Asking values are currently trending down. The reefer trailer segment drove the strongest month-over-month asking price decline, and the dry van trailer segment saw the biggest year-over-year shift. Auction values dipped by 1.35% month-over-month and 1.61% year-over-year in December, continuing a downward trend. The reefer trailer category recorded the most pronounced auction value declines both month-over-month and year-over-year. According to truck paper sales manager Scott Lubisher, reefer and dry van trailers are moving in opposite inventory directions, with dry van trailer inventory exiting the market at a year-over-year decline of 20.13%. On the other hand, reefer trailer inventory is entering the market at an increase of 19.38% year-over-year. From a buying standpoint, the supply of inventory is directly related to the performance of a category. In conclusion, the U.S. used semi-trailer market experienced modest inventory, asking and auction value declines in December. If you'd like to access the full reports for medium-duty trucks and dump trucks, go to truckpaper.com and click on Get Market Reports at the top of the page. If you have any questions, please reach out to Scott Lubisher at scott-lubisher@truckpaper.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sign up for our monthly market reports to stay up to date on the latest trends in the U.S. used semi-trailer market.